This is the People versus Javon Davis, ticket number P1326014. This is count one, expired plates. Count two, defective bumper, fender, or windshield. And count three, drive and register untitled vehicle. Good morning, please say your name for the record, starting with Attorney Barry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Davis. State your full name, Mr. Davis.
Javon Davis.
Your Honor, Mr. Davis, the court should be in receipt of Mr. Davis's valid registration. Expires December 13th of 2022.
Okay. I didn't get the email, but if you saw it, then that's fine. So his registration, you said, expires on December 2000.
12/13/2022.
Okay. All right. And what about the bumper, fender, or windshield? Did you get that?
He no longer has the vehicle, and so we're at a loss in that regard.
Well, the offer was to plead. Okay, so the court will dismiss. The offer was to plead to counts 1 and 2, plead responsible. The court will dismiss count 1 and count 3, but it looks like he still needs to make admissions to count 2. Is he willing to do that?
I would think so, yes, Your Honor.
Okay. You are willing to do that, Mr. Davis?
Yes.
Okay, so with that, you stipulate to the base of the ticket, Mr. Perry?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
You stipulate to probable cause as to counts 1 and 3 to be dismissed.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
So count 1 and 3 are dismissed without prejudice. We will proceed to sentencing. There is a fine of $120. Yeah, $120. Because this is a civil infraction, you have 14 days to pay it. Can you have it paid by October 12th?
I can.
Okay. Did you have any questions?
Where do I go to pay that fine at? That would be my only question.
So you can pay it online, or you can pay it over the phone, and I can give you the phone number, or there's kiosks like at Meyer or CVS called DivDat, DIVDAT, and you can pay it on the kiosk.
Can I get the phone number if you don't mind?
Sure. Yes, let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready.
It's 855-798-1547.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're all set. Good luck to you.
Okay, thank you. You have a good day.
You too. Thank you. You ready, Mr. Burton Harris?
We are, Judge. I didn't tell him to bring himself out because I just didn't want any chance of him removing himself from the meeting. So you may have to do that.
I brought him out.
Okay.
Hopefully he'll come out. Oh, here he is. All right, this is Mr. Davis' turn. Oh, okay, this is the People versus Delante Davis, ticket number P1285116, count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, and count 3, improper plate. And ticket number P1285472, count 1, defective or missing equipment, and count 2, drive while license suspended. Good morning, please say your name for the record, starting with Attorney Burton Harris.
Good morning to you and your staff, Judge. Robert Burton Harris, operating on behalf of the Detroit Justice Center with Mr. Alante Davis as my client, who's present on Zoom and consents to this hearing being conducted on it.
Mr. Davis, unmute yourself, sir, and say your name, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alante Davis, present.
There is an offer. Your client wishes to avail himself to the offer, Mr. Burton Harris.
He does, Judge. I went over the offer with him and what he'll be pleading guilty to, and he's prepared to plead guilty to the improper place charge.
All right, Mr. Davis, you raise your right hand, sir? Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Burton Harris today in private about your case and your rights. Did you hear me, sir? You've had an
I
opportunity.
apologize, Your Honor. It's kind of low, so.
Okay, I'll speak louder. You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Burton Harris today about your case and your rights.
Yes, ma'am.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes, I understand that.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes. Yes, Your
I'm
Honor.
going to direct your attention to the date of November 30th, 2021 at 1:20 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near 7 Mile and Gratiot in the city of Detroit?
Yes, I was.
Were you driving a 1999 Chevrolet vehicle?
Yes, I was.
And did you have improper plates on that vehicle?
Yes, I had improper place.
You satisfied, Mr. Burton Harris?
I'm so satisfied, Judge.
All right, you stipulate the probable cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed?
So stipulated.
I don't know if we stated it, but there was one ticket that was in default. The court will set that default aside, and that would be dismissed as well. We'll proceed to sentencing. Mr. Davis, there's gonna be a $200 fine. Can you have that fine paid by October 31st? Or, no, I'm sorry, November 1st. Can you have it paid by then?
You said November 1st? Huh?
Yes, can you have it paid by then, sir?
Sorry, Your Honor. Mr. Burton, can you read what she said?
The judge asked, can you have the $200 fine paid by November 1st of this year?
That's a reasonable time.
What about?
Sorry, what you say, Your Honor?
What about November 29th?
That's awesome. It couldn't get no longer than that. Yes, that's good.
Okay. So we'll do November 29th, okay? Did you have any questions?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. Mr. Harris, Burton Harris, once you done, she low. Your voice is more, I can hear. If I don't miss anything, can you call me after and let me know?
I'll give you a call right after this.
Thank you, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
You're all set, Mr. Davis. Good luck to you, sir.
Oh, thank you. Have a good rest of the day. Thank you.
You can log
Burton,
off.
can you give me a chat?
Okay, you can log off. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Mr.
All right.
Burton here. Ms. Cole, good morning. Mr. Calabar,
morning.
are we ready?
Yes, I apologize for my tardiness this morning,
Let me bring out.
keeping the attorney and the trooper and yourself waiting. I did email over an amended offer.
I have it.
Thank you.
Okay. This is the people versus Saeed Raza, ticket number SX410. Oh, wait a minute. I printed out the wrong thing. I'm sorry. Let me reprint this.
Something else.
Okay, this is People versus Saeed Raza, ticket number SX 410364216. Count one, speeding 11 to 15 miles per hour over posted speed, construction speed allowed energy 55/8. Good morning, please take your name to the record, starting with the people.
May it please the court, Paula Cole on behalf of the people, P31888.
Good morning, Your Honor. Dan Calvet appearing on behalf of Saeed Raza. I do have authority to act on his behalf. He is not present.
There is an offer, Mr. Calabat. How does your client wish to proceed?
My client would like to take advantage of the offer to the 1 to 5 over construction zone.
The offer says 1 to 10, but I'm sure it's the same thing.
Yeah, it is. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to interject. Officer Trooper Clayton is here present as well.
Oh, yes, Trooper, can you say your name, please?
Trooper Clayton, Officer Clayton, Michigan State Police.
Thank you. All right, so with that, Mr. Calabat, you stipulate to the face of the ticket?
Yes, Your Honor, I do.
And I don't know what the fine is. Do you know what the fine is on this, Miss? We'll proceed to sentencing.
I don't know. Let me see if it's in the,
The fine, she amended it.
Well, it don't show.
I put it in to the, but it's amended.
What? I don't care.
A
Yeah.
second, please. SX 4103642.
And we amend the two ones.
It wants to in the construction zone.
Your Honor, may I have your permission to leave at this point? Judge Garrett has summoned me.
Yes, Ms. Cole, thank you.
Doesn't sound very happy. Thank you very much. Thank you, attorney, and thank you, Trooper.
Thank you, ma'am. Take care.
Thank
This is limited
It's I
construction
think
zone.
it's speeding 1 to 10 in the construction zone.
Construction zone 175, that's accident. Construction zone 171
Is the one.
construction zone. We put it. It's just a regular construction zone, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
but legal on it says 2. Sorry, we're just trying to find the fine amount.
Okay, no problem. Thank you.
110, right? Yes.
Yeah, 1.
You don't have a 1 to 10. It's 6 to 10, the same thing. 6 to 10, there's 1 over, that's same thing. Let me see.
Yeah, here it is. It's one. I got the pack code. Does that help you if I have a code?
C 271C, I know that's construction, speeding is construction zone. I got 6 to 10.
It's like this is it right. Hold on, yeah, I'm sorry. This is it right here. Violation of the speed limit, construction 1T.
That's like a 1 to 5. So it would be basically 6 to 10.
Okay,
So it would be, that's the same thing.
okay.
This is, so I would. 6 to 10. So, I say 65.
It's $190. The fine is $190. Can
Hey,
you
Your
have
Honor,
that
that's fine.
paid? Okay, can you have it paid by October 12th?
That is fine, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you for your patience.
Oh, you're welcome. Appreciate it.
All right, have a good
Am
one.
I all set?
Yes, you are.
Thank All right, thank you. Take care.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Trooper Clayton, you're all set as well, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Take care.
Okay. Mr. Barry, you ready on anything?
Yes, Your Honor. Nige Reed.
Okay. What day did you say he had to pay that back?
All right, let me bring him out. Uh-oh, I don't see him anymore. Oh, here he is. All right, this is the people versus Nige Reed, ticket number P1334239, count one, no proof of insurance, ticket number P1334237, count one, drive unregistered or entitled vehicle. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Barry.
Howard S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Reed. State your full name, Mr. Reed.
Nige Reed.
Your Honor, Mr. Reed would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea of responsible to no proof of insurance and the other matter to be dismissed.
All right, with that, Mr. Barry, you stipulate to the face of the ticket,
So stipulated, Your Honor.
you stipulate the probable cause as to the remaining.
Yes, Your Honor. Again, so
So that's dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. Mr. Reed, there's a fine of $195. Can you have that paid? Because it's a civil infraction, it's due in 14 days, so can you have it paid by October 12th? I keep saying 12th, 11th? October 11th, can you have it paid by then? You need more time? How about the 25th?
can you hear
Mr.
Mr.
Reed,
Reed?
can you hear me?
I'm sorry. What's that?
Can you have it paid by, there's a fine of $195. Can you have it paid by October 11th?
Yep.
You're saying yes?
Yes.
All right, so, did you have any questions?
So you said 195.
Yes. Did you need more time?
If it could be later, I mean,
That's
I
no
might
problem.
be. I'm sure I could pay it by the 11th.
I'll do it by October 25th.
Huh?
We'll do October 25th.
25th. That'll work. I can do that.
Okay, you're all set.
Okay. Thank you.
Good luck. Hang up. Do you need
Great.
anyone else? Shut up. Mr. Reed, you're all set. You can hang up.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. Anyone else, Mr. Berry?
Gregory Riches,
And just wondering if I can go into a breakout room with the officer here on Sherelle Dockery.
He's in room number 2.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
And Chelsea Dixon, Jerry Room is there too.
Okay.
Hello?
All right, Mr. This is the people versus,
Well, I could.
this is people versus Gregory Riches. Ticket number, 1 second.
Okay.
Gregory Riches, I have his paper.
Richardson.
Riches. Riches. All right, this is the people versus Gregory Riches, ticket number. Sorry, I had it and I lost it. Thank you. Ticket number P1334489, count 1. Its driver's license expired. Count 2, violation of basic speed law, drove unsafe manner, and count 2, no proof of insurance. Good morning. Please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Berry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. On behalf of Mr. Riches. State your full name, Mr. Riches.
Gregory Robert Riches.
Your Honor, Mr. Riches would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea to blockading rather than unsafe, driving in an unsafe manner, and the remaining matters to be dismissed.
It was actually blockading and then no. Hold on.
Blockading and
I think it was blockading and no proof of insurance. Guys, this horn. For Gregory Riches, you have that he pleads to counts 2 and 3, and then you have blockading. 2 and 3 are basic speed law, drove unsafe manner, and count 3 is no proof of insurance. Are they both blockading, or is just one of them is blockading?
The unsafe manner is, Your Honor.
That's what I thought. And then you still wanted to plead to the no proof of insurance?
Correct, the 2 civil, yep. So the 2 civils and dismissing the misdemeanor.
Mr. Riches has valid insurance at this time.
Okay, can we have proof of that?
Yes. Should I just screenshot it for you?
Or you can,
You turn on the camera.
Hold it up to the camera.
Oh, 1 second, trying to turn. Okay, here you go. Is that visible?
it's, if you can hold it still, maybe it'll start, your camera will start zooming in.
I think 1 sec. There's a filter somewhere, and I blurry. 1 moment.
Okay, and when does it expire, Mr. Riches?
On the card, the effective date was February 27th of 2022, and the expiration date is 8/27/22. So this was valid when he pulled me over, but I now have, a new policy since it's been renewed.
Is it the same car?
Yes.
Okay, and Your Honor, what is the date of the ticket, if you may, Your Honor?
March 29, 2022.
Okay, the people would be inclined to dismiss, so we would just ask Mr. Riches to plead to, there we go. Yep, thank you, perfect.
Okay.
We just asked him to plead to the moving violation, count number 2.
All right, and with that, Mr. Barry Klein does wish to avail himself to that, please.
Sorry, Your Honor, didn't hear you.
He does wish to avail himself to the blockading.
That is, yes,
Yeah. So you stipulate to the face of the ticket,
yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
and the court will amend count 2 to blockading. You stipulate to probable cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
So they're dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. The fine for blockading, Mr. Riches, is $175. Because this is a civil infraction, you have 14 days to pay it. Can you have it paid by October 11th?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you have any questions, sir?
Nope, I think everything is understood.
You're all set, sir. Good luck.
Thank you very much. You guys have a great day.
You too. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Oh, that,
will you guys send something in the mail to me for the payments and fees?
No, you can pay it, you can pay it online, or you can pay it over the phone. I can give you a phone number. There's kiosks around the city, in Meyer or CVS called BivDat, BIVDAT.
Okay.
And you can pay it on the kiosk.
So when I pay online, all I need is a ticket number?
Yes,
Okay, that'll be enough.
okay.
All right, thank you guys so much. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. Good luck.
Bye-bye.
Let me bring out the bowl. I don't think that officer is here.
And yes, Your Honor, as an update on that, I did reach out to the officer yesterday. He advised, because this was like a one-time occurrence, that he didn't mind going down as no investigator available for trial.
Hey, we miss you.
I know, but I will be coming up here next week to move some stuff.
Into the office?
Yes, because for the got I miss y'all so much.
Miss you too.
Yeah.
You so busy.
Yeah.
But we not stressed.
I just can't say.
Hey, down there.
Hey.
Why I talk to you? I'm gonna get the office name.
Oh, okay, good. Oh, good, good. Great.
So Mr. DeBose. Oh, there he is. All right, Mr. DeBose, I'm gonna call your case as soon as I find your file.
Just was informed.
I'll call it later. This is the people.
See, 682.
Oh, no, this was a trial and nobody showed up, Miss. And it's a V ticket.
Who we dealing with?
DeBose.
DeBose. What is this case for?
This is trial.
Yeah, I put it. It's look like it's an ROA.
That's what I thought. All right, this is the people versus Darnell DeBose, ticket number B 1211452, count 1, dogs at large, and then count 2. I'm sorry. The other ticket is B 1211461. Count 1 nuisance, Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with, I guess, the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning, Counsel. Tamika Horn, appearing on behalf of the City of Detroit, P70303.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. DeBose. State your full name, Mr. DeBose.
Darnell DeBose.
Your Honor, this being the date and time set for trial, I'm not aware that the complaining officer is present. And in light of that, I'd seek dismissal on behalf of Mr. DeBose.
No objection, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. This matter was set for trial at 9. It is now 11:05. No officer has appeared, so this matter is dismissed without prejudice. Mr. DeBose, you are all set, sir. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
I don't think so. Anything else you're ready on?
Natalia Robinson.
Ms. Horn, for Ms. Robinson, oh, that's not your case. That's a state case. I told her Black Katie.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Well, I'm waiting on her to call me back now, see what it's going to be. Russell.
She's not coming out. I don't know why. She is not coming out.
Let me see if.
You might have to go get her.
And Mr. Barry, Dinkin Silas is a complete dismissal for valid documentation. So she might be ready, even though Ms. Harris is still in the room with other clients.
Hello.
Hi, this is the people versus IBN. Jenkins Silas, ticket number P1329335. Count 1, drove by license not valid or improper license. Count 2, no insurance, misdemeanor, and count 3, expired plate. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Barry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Dinkin Silas. Oh, there you are.
Attorney Cherika Harris on behalf of Ms. Dinkin Silas.
Ms. Jenkins Silas, say your name, please.
My name is Agnes Silas. I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
All right. It's my understanding, Ms. Harris, the recommendation is to dismiss for valid docs.
That is correct, Your Honor. We stipulate to probable cause.
All right, these matters are dismissed without prejudice. Ms. Jenkins Silas, you're all set, ma'am. Good luck to you.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You can hang up.
Okay.
All right, Ms. Robinson, you want to turn your video on? This is the people versus Natalia Robinson, ticket number X4014580, count 1, no operator's license / multiple ops, no ops, and count 2, failed to stop within a short, clear distance. Accident.
Yeah.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Robinson. State your full name, Ms. Robinson.
Natalia Robinson.
You know what? I'm sorry. You probably definitely need to speak to Ms. Ms. Cole for this one. Cause I didn't see that it was an accident. It just said failed to stop within a short, clear distance, but the ticket says there was an accident.
And,
So why don't you just set this for trial?
all right, Your Honor.
Sorry. You want to set this for a bench trial, Ms. Robinson?
Assuming so, I guess so.
I mean, you can plead to this count, fail to stop within a short, clear distance, accident, you want to plead that?
I mean, yeah, I plead guilty to that.
Well,
You might be able to get something a little better.
Your Honor,
I really don't think you want to plead. I don't think you really want to plead to that, so let's set this for a bench trial.
thank you, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You understand you have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial? You can put your hand down. Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
Yes.
Then the court's gonna continue your not guilty plea, set it for a bench trial for November 4th at 9.
Okay. I'm gonna work that.
You understand? Next time, you can't be in a moving vehicle and you can't wear a bonnet on your head.
Oh, I know, I'm just leaving for work now, so that's the only reason why my hair was tied up. So I'm working to wear it up. Okay.
Good luck.
Yeah.
You guys are doing anything else?
I just want to make a comment to Ms. Harris on the Dockery matter. Our officer cannot identify her. And those matters are set for trial today. So
Okay.
the people can't proceed if our complaining witness can't identify the defendant.
Thank you. I appreciate you sharing that.
Yep.
And Your Honor, we are ready on breakout rooms. We just did 7. So 9, 15, 21, 23, and I would say 27, but he wasn't in there. And Ms. Horn, do you know if this officer is on any of the others? You're on mute.
I don't believe Officer Waterloo is here for any other matters. I do know that we have Officer Jeremy Rule or Corporal Rule. I'm not sure if you're ready on that one. That's Dixon.
I'm ready
Chelsea.
on that one.
Okay.
I'm ready on that one.
This is the people versus Sherelle Dockery. Ticket number P1231683. Count 1 improper place. Count 2 driver license suspended. Ticket number P1229591. Count 1 fails to stop sign. Count 2 driving registered or entitled vehicle. And count 3 no insurance misdemeanor. And ticket number I think this is set for a pre-trial, ticket number P127. I'm sorry, P1237136. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with attorney. Oh, count 1, driver license suspended, count 2, improper place, count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Okay, please say your names for the record.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Ms. Dockery. Ms. Dockery, could you please state your name for the record? Ms. Dockery, you have to unmute your device and state your name, please.
My phone is not working the best, so I hope it doesn't just hang up on you. I see you now.
Can you state your name for the record?
Sure, Sherelle Dockery.
And Your Honor,
I'm sorry.
Sorry.
Ms. Horn, can you say your name?
Say that again?
I'm stating my name for the record also, Ms. Dockery. Thank you, Judge. Tamika Horn, appearing on behalf of the city, P70303.
And Officer Waterlow, can you say your name, sir?
Officer Seamus Waiterlow,
Sorry, your badge number.
badge 4845.
All right, does this trial, are the people ready to proceed, Ms. Horn?
The people cannot proceed. Our officer is having difficulty identifying the defendant. So the people are not in a position to proceed on this particular case number SP 12316831 and 2, in which Mr. Officer Waterloo is here for Waiterlow. But the other ones are set for pre-trial.
Right.
None of those are my tickets.
Miss-
Oh, go ahead.
Hold on, Ms. Dockery. So, Your
Okay.
Honor, there are 3 matters set for trial, and it appears that there are 3 different case numbers, not counts 1, 2, and 3.
Right. So, okay, so for ticket number ending in 683,
We would move to dismiss.
Okay. You stipulate the probable cause because the officer did appear, but they're just unable to proceed. So you stipulate the probable cause for that one.
Yes, Your Honor.
You're not, oh, well, I don't know, Ms. Horn, how do you wish to proceed with that one?
It looks like
Are
looks
you
like the
moving to this?
I'm moving.
So it appears that people were not ready to proceed. We are moving to dismiss.
Is
Is
officer?
The court will dismiss.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, so now for tickets, there's two other tickets with 3 counts. How does your client wish to proceed? Trial?
With regards to the other are set for pretrial, we are respectfully requesting trial dates, Your Honor. Again, Ms. Dockery is stating that these are cases of identity theft. And I have made Madam Prosecutor aware of what is going on with these tickets. We are asking for trial dates for the remaining matters.
Okay, raise your right hand, Ms. Dockery.
Yeah.
Is your right hand raised? Okay, do you
Yes,
swear
it is.
do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay, you can put your hand down. You understand you have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea?
I couldn't hear you, Your Honor.
It looks like, I'm sorry, it looks like this one ticket number P1229591, this was actually set for a bench trial.
That is correct, Your Honor.
So the court's gonna dismiss these as well. And then 1237 is set for a pretrial. Okay. All right. So the court's gonna what did I leave off? Did I ask her if she understood she had the right to a bench jury trial?
You did, but Your Honor, before we even go to that, SP 123711363 is set for trial today. And it looks like the tickets just got broken up. And counts 1 and 2 of that ticket are pre-trials.
If I could
I
say,
see it's Mr. Waiterlow, Officer Waiterlow on this ticket, so the court's just gonna dismiss all these tickets.
Thank you, Your Honor.
thank you.
Thank you, Officer Waiterlow.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're all set, Ms. Dockery.
Thank you, and you have a good day. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you.
So, hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
So, but they're dismissed. Is that what I'm getting? Because I really can't hear too good on my phone.
They're dismissed.
Okay, thank you. I appreciate it. And have a good day. Thank you. Will I get that notification in the mail, or how would I need to get that?
You can look online.
Okay. And so I don't have any more court dates to appear too? Is that?
You have the other tickets, but as far as what we have today,
Oh, no, I don't have any tickets at all. So thank you. Okay, I got to understand. Okay, well, have a good day. Thank you. Okay, bye-bye.
Just check this.
Ms. Harris, the interpreter is here. Ms. Vivian, thank you so much.
Oh, you're welcome.
Did you want to speak to, or here, did you want to do these two cases before you go speak to,
Yes,
Mr.
please.
Okay, so Ms. Vivian, I'm gonna put you in breakout room number 13 with Mr. Ramirez Escobar.
Okay, thank you.
Ms. Davenport.
Maybe on bench one. Yeah, I highlight that one. It should be an ROA. No, but I'm doing shit.
All right, this is the people versus Marnisha Davenport. Turn your video on, ma'am.
Yeah.
This is ticket number SP 1196886, count 1, driver's license never acquired. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1204098, count 1, improper license. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name to the record, starting with Attorney Harris.
Cherika Harris on behalf of Ms. Davenport. Ms. Davenport, please state your name for the record.
Marnisha Davenport.
Your Honor, Ms. Davenport has been advised of her rights. For purposes of arraignment, we would stand mute. It's my understanding she is waiving her right to trial and entering a plea pursuant to the recommendation.
Right hand, Ms. Davenport.
Yes.
Raise your right hand. Do you swear your other hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Harris today in private about your case and your rights.
May I repeat that?
You had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Harris today about your case and your rights.
Okay.
Ms. Davenport, did you speak to the attorney about your case and your rights?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial. Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue your guilty plea.
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of May 24th, 2021 at 2:58 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Chicago and Stalen in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2013 Chevrolet vehicle?
Yes.
Were you driving while your license was not valid or improper?
Yes.
Did you not have insurance on that vehicle?
Not at the time.
You're satisfied, Ms. Harris?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Court is also satisfied with the factual basis, will accept the admission. You stipulate the proper cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
They're dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. The court is going to, oh, and those counts were amended to fail to display an improper plate. The court is going to have a $200, there's gonna order a $200 fine for the fail to display, and then for the improper plate, that fine will be waived. Can you have that fine paid by November 1st? You're muted because of the baby. So you gotta unmute yourself.
You may repeat that?
Can you have the $200 fine paid by November 1st?
200?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any questions?
No, that's the only thing I have to pay off.
Yes, ma'am. Everything else is dismissed. I'll waive the fine for the other ticket.
Okay.
So you're all set, Ms. Davenport. Good luck to you, ma'am. You can pay it online, or there's a kiosk at CVS or Meyer, you can pay it there. All right. This is, so you're all set.
You
This
should
is the
have
people-
actually, you should have that.
This is the people versus Chelsea Dixon, ticket number SP 1327188, count 1, driver's license never acquired, count 2, no proof of insurance, count 3, expired plate. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Corporal Rule.
Chelsea Dixon.
Corporal Rule, please. All right. Corporal Rule, can you say your name, sir?
This is Corporal Jeremy Roll, badge 3896, Detroit Police, 6th Precinct.
Sheriff Harris on behalf of Ms. Dixon. Ms. Dixon, please state your name.
Chelsea Dixon.
Your Honor, while today is the date and time set for trial, Ms. Dixon has decided to avail herself of the recommendation. She would admit responsibility pursuant to that recommendation. We stipulate to the face of the ticket for purposes of the factual basis, and we stipulate to probable cause for the dismissed counts.
All right, so counts 1 and 2 are dismissed without prejudice. Count 3 will proceed to sentencing. There is a fine of $145. Can you have that paid by October 11th, because it's a civil infraction, you have 14 days?
Yes.
Okay. You got any questions, Ms. Dixon?
No.
So you're all set now. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Corporal.
Thank you. Have a good day.
I should have Rashid up here.
I look you almost like.
Oh, here it is, you're right. This is the people versus Tyrell Rashid, ticket number P1328882, count 1, expired plates, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, count 3, drive while license suspended. I see a state matter, but I think this might be in the fall. Oh. Yes, it's in the fall, never mind. All right, good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with the Attorney Harris.
Sharika Harris on behalf of Mr. Rashid. Mr. Rashid, please state your name.
You doing? Good morning. My name is Tyrell Rashid.
Your Honor, Mr. Rashid has been advised of his rights. He is waiving his right to trial, admitting responsibility pursuant to the recommendation. We stipulate to the face of the ticket for purposes of the factual basis, and we stipulate to probable cause for the dismissed counts.
All right, so the court will dismiss counts 2 and 3 without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing as to count 1. There is a $145 fine. Can you have that paid by October 11th, Mr. Rashid? Because it's a civil infraction, you have 14 days to pay.
You said by October 11th. I get paid actually 4 days later from there because I live alone and I pay rent, and my rent is due the first of the month, and I get paid every 2 weeks at my job. But I can try to have it paid by the 11th.
We'll do October 25th.
Okay, that's perfect.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Good luck, Mr. Rashid. You're all set, sir.
Thank you. I appreciate it. You guys.